Managing airspace at large events just got a major update. The FAA has introduced a new drone-specific temporary flight restriction, or TFR, policy for stadiums and major gatherings. This change gives law enforcement the ability to request drone-only airspace restrictions at outdoor events like concerts and sporting matches, where crowds and security are top concerns. The new rules apply to venues with at least 30,000 people or other outdoor gatherings with 100,000 or more attendees. Only credentialed law enforcement can request these TFRs, and they must do so at least 30 days before the event. While the TFR gives you legal authority to keep drones out, it's still important to use drone detection systems for real-time awareness and response. Stay proactive and keep your event skies secure.